Dang, I'm all looking at the window, see what's going on. Got my glasses on so I can see, cause yeah. Oh hey, what's up, YouTube? Hey yo, guess what's going on? Yo. Okay, so far, what I'm doing right now, everything is going good. Everything is going great. Right? What I'm trying to do. Oh, what I can do, you know. My mouth's all dirty and dry. All the saliva on my lips. All right, man. But anyways, that's not the point. But hey, yo, it's like I'm like, dog. I'm crazy for instrumentals. All the instrumentals that have the artifacts, every single one of them. And one of my favorite instrumentals I want to use to take out the excuse me, take out the artifacts, and then I could use it to make beats and make sampley beats or whatever. So that's what I could do. And I'm using Edison in FL Studio 21 trial version for that, and it sounds pretty dang good. I ain't gonna lie. I'm getting better at like knowing something about artifacts, doing research about it, knowing the correct terms for like stuff like artifacts. And that's what I be trying to do, yo. Hey yo, son. Hey yo, son. Hey yo. I'm so happy I could do that. I got something I could do when I could be all quiet. I could talk. I could not talk to myself when I'm working on my sampley beats. And I cannot be so loud when I'm like working on my sampling instrumentals I want to making my sampling loops. But yeah, it's like I just cracked it. Like I know now, you know what I'm saying? And that changed my life completely. And I'm like, dog, wow, that's crazy. Like, you could do anything if you put your mind to it in FL Studio 21. I'm sorry, you could do everything you want. After I just like figure that out, I do what I want with it. Make some good beats, excuse me. I just got over a cold, excuse me. Not a cold, but I got bad lungs, so it's like I was taking I was taking antibiotics for a while, for 2 weeks. And I got done with it last week. And I'm happy that I'm happy that I'm healing now. And I can't wait for that. I'm working out, exercising, going outside, walk around, get some fresh air. But yo, it's like I'm recording everything in Edison, FL Studio 21. And it's the best thing in the world. Yo, I'm happy as heck. And I came to do what I came to do in FL Studio.